So finally, after a long vacation, I'm back with another tutorial. And today we're going to create a very simple poster design using a image generating AI platform. And it's going to be very simple, and we're going to use Photoshop too. So if you guys love designing and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe, and there are a lot to cover. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So today we're going to talk about a great image generating AI platform, and it's called ClipDrop. So let's go over there and type clipdrop.co, and then once you type it, click on sign in, and then you can see this kind of dashboard. Now let's go on the bottom and click on that Stable Diffusion XL. Just go over here, click on create image, and then write some prompt. So we're going to type some prompt to create a simple poster. So let's see, let's type Lionel Messi. And what else? Now let's go over here, click on that setting, and from here click on that style, and then I like to go for kind of more photographic. Click on that aspect ratio, and let's go for a portrait 4:5, and you can add some negative prompt that you don't want to include in your image. So let's see, so it's just an example, so let's keep it like that, and let's click on that generate. And the image is being processed, so let's wait for a few seconds. So here we go, and let's see, this is a very nice image, so let's go. Yeah, this is cool too. Yeah, I like this one better, so let's click on that download, and let's open in Photoshop. So I created this image using kind of similar prompts. So let's create a poster using this image. So let's click Ctrl and N, and I'll just go with 4:5, relative to 300, color mode to RGB, bitrate to 8, and let's click and create. And I'm not doing anything, I'm just gonna add some simple text. So let's drag and drop this image right over here, and let's make it a little bigger, Ctrl T, and then you know how to remove those watermark, right? So let's go over here, let's add some rough selection, and let's click on that edit, click on that content aware fill, and let's remove that watermark, Control T. Let's add a very simple text. Create a new layer, go to brush, and I'm going to use this powder explosion brush. So just click on that one, and let's add a particle right over here, and maybe one right over here, and let's keep this above this text layer above right over here, and let's add a very small text on the bottom. Merge everything, Control Shift Alt and E, and let's add a solid on bottom. Let's go for kind of darker color, just like that, and let's go to brush. Let's remove some of these parts right over here. And let's go to filter, let's go to camera raw filter, let's drop down the highlights a little bit, let's increase exposure just like so, and let's increase the vibrance too, And let's go to detail tab, and let's increase the sharpening a little bit. And let's go to FX, and let's add some green. This is like so. And let's go back to basic tab, and let's increase the clarity. Let's increase the texture just like so, and let's click on OK. So this is the final, and I hope you guys learned something new from this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, be safe, and be creative. Bye-bye.